Good morning, Ninja Kittens. Hello, Hello Kitty Warriors. It's time for some yoga, Hello Kitty yoga with Sandy. And we're going to start with the moon salutation that I just love. And we're putting on your wings. So here it is. Grab your wings, breathe deep, and let's do some yoga together. We're going to be in temple pose. Arms are above our head, and we're going to breathe in. And we're going to breathe in. We're going to breathe in, and then we're going to breathe out. Let's do it again. Breathe in. Oh, this is an energizing breath. Let's breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Let's fill our life with the good things. Love, light, joy. Let's go into the crescent moon. Let's fly this way. Let's fly into the moonlight. Breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Just a little deeper into our crescent moon. Breathe in, and in, and in, just a little bit deeper into our crescent moon. And then we're going to go, it's goddess pose on our tippy toes. Spread your wings out. Put your abdomen out. Wings are up. Breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Breathe in, and in, and in, breathe out. I love goddess pose. It makes me feel so powerful, so wonderful, so connected to an ombre of love pouring through the universe. And we're just one little ray of sunshine, one little glorious part of that rainbow. Whatever color we are part of that rainbow today. We are part of the goddess. We are the goddess flowing through the universe. That's so beautiful. I love that thought. And now we're going to become stars. We are stars. Our feet are facing each other wall and our fingers are standing out. And we're going to breathe in, love, breathe in light, breathe in joy, breathe out love. Stretch your fingers out just a little farther. Spread your wings out. Spread them out nice and far. Breathe in, love, breathe in joy, breathe in peace. Breathe out love. Now we're going to go into triangle. We're going to dip our wings down. Right arm goes down, left arm goes up. Breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Now we're going to do the runner stretch. So stretch your wings out. There you go. Both feet are facing forward. Let's breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Now we're going to go into lunge pose because we are a lunging butterfly. Never let your knee go beyond your foot. No more than a 90-degree angle. Breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Now let's do side lunge. Now we're in side lunge. Breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Now we're in squat pose. Oh, hi everyone, we're in squat pose. What kind of wings do you have? Do you have dragon wings? Do you have fairy wings? Do you have butterfly wings or bumblebee wings? Oh, breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Wiggle your toes. Going into side lunge. There we go. Breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Into lunge pose. Now we're in lunge pose. There we are. Breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. into runner stretch. Both feet are facing forward. Our feet are down by our ankle and we're stretching. Yes, we are. Breathe in and in, and breathe out. Now your right wing goes up, your left wing stays down, and we're in triangle pose again. Breathe in and in and in, and breathe out. I'm not sure why, but the moon salutation seems perfect for triple breath, and I'm not sure why, but now we're stars. Feet are facing opposite walls, and your wings are spread out nice and wide. And we're going to breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out, because we are bright and shining stars. We are drops of God love, and we are also part of the goddess. Let's go into goddess pose on our tippy toes. Breathe in, and in, and in, breathe out. Now I learned this by watching Instagram. I did. I saw goddess pose. I saw people doing it on their tippy toes. I went, okay, I can do that too. So now I'm doing goddess pose on my tippy toes. Breathe in, love, joy, peace. Breathe out, love. Now let's go into the crescent moon. Breathe in, and in, and in. Hold it, and breathe out. Breathe in, and in, and in. Hold it, and breathe out. Now we're going to go into temple pose. Breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Breathe in, and in, and in, and breathe out. Now we're going to do a little bit of looking at the moon. Just lean back and look at the moon. Oh my goodness, there's the moon. There's the stars. There's Venus and Mars. Oh, there's the Big Dipper. There's Cassiopeia. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Anyways. And that is the moon salutation with Sandy. Thrive on, girls. Do your best. Be your best. By the way, right now I have my Powered by Miracorn almond milk and honey face mask on. It makes me feel like I'm glowing like a mermaid and sparkling like a unicorn. Try it. Maybe you'll like it. Thrive on, girls. Do your best, be your best, and thrive on.